Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. First video of 2026 and we are making a refreshing, delicious and gorgeous fruit punch. Fresh, vibrant and super easy. It's perfect for parties, birthdays, small gatherings or even a cozy weekend night when you want something a bit fancier. Keep it simple or make it boozy, both works. Let's get started. I'm making my fruit punch in this jar and a quick walkthrough of some fresh seasonal ingredients. Alright, I'm starting with the apples. I'm taking 1 to 2 apples, removing the core and chopping them into small pieces. I'm actually using about 1.5 apples only. Once chopped, add them straight into the jar. Next, I'm taking 1 medium-sized orange. You can either cut it into small cubes like I'm doing or just squeeze the juice directly. I prefer cutting and adding the pieces. Once done, add that in as well. Now for the strawberries, I'm using about 6 to 8. Chop off the top and cut them into small cubes. I also like to slice a few into rounds because they look nicer when served. Now add the strawberries into the jar. Moving on to the grapes, I'm using a small bowl of black grapes. Slice them and add those in too. For the citrus cake, I'm using 2 lemons. Thinly slice them and remove the seeds and add them to the jar. And now time for some greens. Add a few mint leaves. I'm using almost all the leaves from about 3 mint stems. Now roughly crush them with your hands to release the flavor and drop them in. With the fruits ready, we're going to add our cold drinks and juice. This not only adds sweetness but also blends the flavors together. This is what it turns from a fruit bowl into a fruit punch. Now I'm pouring in a full 500 ml bottle of Sprite. Next is our cranberry juice. I'm adding around 400 ml from my 1 liter pack. Lastly, I'm using Appy Fizz. If you want, you can skip the Appy Fizz and go for apple juice only. But I love the Fizz and that sweet and tangy flavor. The combo is amazing. Add enough to fill the remaining space in the jar or around 300 to 400 ml. Give everything a good mix using a ladle and let the fruit soak for those amazing flavors. You can leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. After that, mix it again and you can either add some ice cubes or just pour in straight into the glass. Since we have used Sprite and Appy Fizz, we do not need to add any extra sugar or any sweetener. But if you're using plain soda instead, you will definitely need to add some sweetener to balance the tang from the fruits and the cranberry juice. My simple fruit punch is ready. For garnish, I'm adding a sprig of rosemary and enjoy the drink. Now for the Boozy fruit punch, take a glass and add a small pack of vodka. Or you can use your favorite white rum, gin or any spirit you prefer. Then pour in the fruit punch. Add a sprig of rosemary for garnish and it's done. So that's our Boozy fruit punch and the simple, both ready to enjoy. Super refreshing, absolutely delicious and so pretty to serve for parties, gatherings or for any special occasion. Give it a quick stir and enjoy. Well, that's all for today. I hope you will give it a try and let me know your thoughts in comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun recipes. Thank you for watching Gags Kitchen and I'll see you in next one.